Welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this January 2016 65 registered Land Rover Discovery commercial. Now this is the SE model but has the tech pack, so very well specified vehicle from the factory. So the car's finished in Corris grey metallic and it sits on the 19-inch alloy wheels. Now these are basically commercials, so they are cars in which when you ordered one they took them off the line and they went into the special vehicles operations department and they were turned into commercial vehicles. So they had the seats removed in the rear and then panels put over the glass inside. They already had the privacy glass there, and then effectively then they are purpose and can be used by company directors, mainly bought them, didn't they, as a tax dodge as such, so that you didn't have to pay company car tax, but you had the opportunity to drive a luxurious four-wheel drive SUV, but you got taxed on your I suppose company car tax as driving a van. So you could drive, for whatever reason, a transit van. No, you could drive a Land Rover Discovery commercial. Now, highly specified vehicles from the factory, so they get full leather interior. As you can see, 2 seats there. Door cards are leather. We get the Meridian sound systems in them also. Basically 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors, automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel. Now this being an SE would require a technology pack when you bought a car, and then that would then give you the satellite navigation, because you could buy the SE without satellite navigation, funnily enough.
52 petrol.
So DAB radio, parking sensors front and rear, heated front windscreen, digital climate control. We get the silky smooth gearbox, so the later models had the wheel as when they brought the Evoque out. Multifunction steering wheel, so you can control the radio. We've got answering the phone on the steering wheel. Just shut this door, guys. And then the vehicle has only done 50,753 miles. Now the last owners had it from pretty much nearly new. However, when he started various businesses, he put the vehicle into those businesses' names, obviously for, I suppose, tax purposes. So the vehicle's been maintained by the Land Rover dealer from new up until December 2021 at 49,000 and so miles, to which then it was serviced and had the brakes done at a local independent garage. Now I've got those photographs and the details are all there for that on our website. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper did not smoke on this vehicle because it smells absolutely superb. Centre cubby box there, loads of space. Now if you're thinking I'm not spending £70,000 on a new Land Rover Defender, which is basically going to be for commercial purposes only, these are ideal. We do sell quite a few of these when we get them in. They're very difficult to get hold of. We probably sell 2 or 3 a year. Now we do have the new shape one in at the same time as this, so however that is £55,000 plus the dreaded vodka and tonic. Now opening the door, as you can see, that plastic panel protects the window, which has got the privacy glass. You get then the factory steel bulkhead. Again, that can be removed because you can put the seats back into this car if you so wish, and they're just bracketed in there like so. Now we get the full rubber mat set throughout here. Again, nice spacious vehicle. If you've got dogs or you go shooting, these are ideal for that type of purpose, but they will drive and be luxurious in that. Colour-coded wheel arches, colour-coded bumpers. Looking in the rear of the vehicle, you'll see a brand fire new tow bar. That was factoried and never ever fitted and never ever used. Take the towing ball off, look at that, never ever eaten been on. Mats are all there throughout the vehicle, and then underneath we do have a spare wheel, which is an alloy spare wheel as well. So we've got 5 alloys, that's an option as an alloy spare wheel. Tow pack's an option, Corris grey metallic, tech pack and full leather seats. So, a real luxurious vehicle. We've got the both keys with the vehicle, mats, they've got the roof bars. As I say, it's a 1665, so January 16. I took a picture of the build chassis number, or chassis, on the pictures as well, that's there. But you can reserve this with us, guys, for £250. That will take it off sale, it will prepare it to the high standards, wheels off, washed inside out, calipers done, discs, so when you do come it looks brand new. Looking down the sides of the vehicle, you can see that it's in really sharp order. Round the boot is all in nice order. Again, passenger side, looking down the side again, very sharp order. There is a couple of tiny stone chips on the front of the bonnet, which we have touched in with a pencil, being transparent for you. You can see that one there, tiny little one there, and a tiny little one there. But apart from that, gentleman who owned the vehicle's upgraded to a new one. And there you go, what more can you say? A lovely 50,000 mile Land Rover Discovery Commercial, with everything that was there when it was new still available today. January 2016, with a lovely spec. And let me just say this now, this vehicle has no VAT. I repeat, no VAT. So if you're not VAT registered, if this was a VAT registered vehicle, there'd be another 20% on the top end price. So this is a 20% saving, but you can still put it through your books, you can still finance it, you can still put it on as an asset to your company and then reduce it down each year as you have the pleasure of driving such a luxurious commercial vehicle for business purposes, yet you can do everything that you want to do. Now I've had about 6 or 7 of these, as cars that is, not vans, and they will do 30 miles to the gallon all the time. They're a fantastic vehicle. Motorway, you'll get 35, 37. They'll tow 3.5 tons. They've got air suspension and they've got self-leveling suspension. So if you're doing towing for the business, this is the vehicle to have. So any more information, give me a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham. There's Dominic and there's Lee. They're my colleagues. We will be happy to help in any possible way. If you've got a van, you've got a vehicle, you want a Part X, give us a call. If you want finance, we can do finance on it for you. 5 years finance, not a problem, at 9.9% APR. So, thank you for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.